Salam and welcome to Hakeem Saab channel. In this channel, I'll give you information about medicines used in Unani medicine or hikmat.
And today's topic is hemorrhoids or piles. I will tell you the causes of hemorrhoids, some tips and advices related to hemorrhoids, lastly treatment of hemorrhoids at home.
Viewers, I'm a certified Unani and natural medicine practitioner. I'm practicing Unani medicine for more than 20 years. Aim of this channel and video is to share my experience and knowledge with you. So please subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Causes. The number one cause of hemorrhoids is the wrong food. For example, if you are taking hot temperament foods like eggs, alcohol, spicy and oily food, or gassy foods like beans, lentils, broccoli, pasta, beef, etc., or low fiber food like sugar, dairy and processed products, white rice, so it can cause hemorrhoids. Using too much food supplements, multivitamins and energy products can also cause hemorrhoids. Straining at anus and rectum muscles can cause hemorrhoids. So that's why too much sitting, too much standing and lifting heavy objects can cause hemorrhoids. Bad toilet habits. Sitting for too long in a toilet, straining during bowel and not cleaning yourself properly can cause hemorrhoids. Constipation and chronic diarrhea. If you are having constipation frequently or you have chronic diarrhea, then it can cause hemorrhoids too. Lack of exercise and obesity. If you are lazy and not exercising regularly, or you are putting on too much weight, it can cause hemorrhoids too. Pregnancy and aging. Strain due to pregnancy and in old age, tissues which support veins in rectum and anus weaken and stretch. That's why it can cause hemorrhoids too. Dehydration and hot places. Drinking less water can cause hemorrhoids too. Plus, staying and working in too hot places like kitchen, outside and simmer can also cause hemorrhoids. Liver problems. Unfortunately, if you have any liver problems like fatty liver or liver cirrhosis, it can also cause hemorrhoids. Psychological issues. In hemorrhoids patients, it is observed that they have some kind of anger on the past and they fear from the future. They always feel burdened and overworked. Tips and some advice. First of all, change your eating habits. Eat more, which is good for hemorrhoids, and eat less, which is bad for hemorrhoids. So, what is good for hemorrhoids? Drink at least 4 to 5 liters water. Take cold temperament food like yogurt, spinach, etc. Take high fiber food like whole grain, bananas, oranges, apples, carrots, etc. Oatmeal, cereals, jumble fruits, dry figs, onions and white radishes. So, what is bad for hemorrhoids? Hot temperament foods, eggs, alcohol, spicy and oily foods, junk food, unripe and decaying food, low fiber and gassy food like dairy, sugar and processed products, white rice, potatoes, pasta, beef, food supplements, energy drinks and carbonated drinks. For straining, avoid sitting and standing for too long. Try to move often. It is good habit. Stop lifting heavy objects. If you have a desk job, then use comfortable chair. Try to adopt good toilet habits. Avoid sitting for too long in the toilet. Do not strain during bowel. Use damp tissues to clean yourself and clean yourself properly after using toilet. Exercise and get rid of obesity. Do cardiovascular exercise 30 minutes for daily. Keep record and write down whatever you eat. It will help you to manage and balance your diet and to lose weight. Hot temperature places. Avoid to stay and work in the places with a high temperature like furnaces, kitchen. Try to stay indoor in hot weather. Psychological problems. Remember one thing. Yesterday is a history. Tomorrow is a mystery. Today is a gift of God, which is why we call it the present. So, don't worry what happened in the past and don't be scared of the future. If you feel overburdened with responsibilities, then try to share and trust others. Treatment of hemorrhoids at home. Take laxative for constipation and softening your stool. In winter, you can use castor oil. In summer, use psyllium husk. Don't take too much laxative as it is also bad for digestive system. Take one of the 3 medicines for hemorrhoids. Number 1. For this, you need black pepper 1/4 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, milk 1 cup. After heating the milk, cool it down. Add lemon juice in the milk and drink immediately before it curdles. Take this medicine twice a day before meal. Number 2. For this, you need radish juice 1 cup, clarified butter 1 teaspoon and a pinch of salt. Mix all these 3 things and drink twice a day before 30 minutes of meal. Number 3. For this, you need ginger juice ½ teaspoon, mint 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, honey 1 teaspoon. Mix all 4 of them and drink twice a day before 30 minutes of meal. If your hemorrhoids are bleeding severely, then you can use the following medicine. Pomegranate juice ½ cup, yogurt 25 grams, ginger juice 1 teaspoon. Mix all the 3 items and take them before meal thrice a day. Beside these oral medicines, you have to treat your hemorrhoids or piles externally too. So, if your hemorrhoids or piles are swelled, use ice packs to comfort it, or wrap some ice in a clean cloth and apply it directly. After that, apply the following oil. For this, you need mustard oil, turmeric powder, onion juice. If your hemorrhoids or piles are bleeding, don't use onion juice. Mix them all, make a paste and apply directly to the area. After that, wear something to avoid the stain. If you don't feel any improvement at all within couple of weeks, then please consult Unani, Ayurvedic or natural medicine practitioner for further treatment. Hope you like this video. So please tell me in comments which cause you think is most common in hemorrhoids or piles.
If you want to know what is Unani medicine, what are temperaments, what are humors, visit this site. You can find the link in description too. Hope you find this information useful. So please subscribe my channel, like the video, share it, comment on it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can watch all my videos in time. Thanks and salam.